today we are going to design this model. So we are given front view. This is front view, this is top view, and this is right view. So if we are watching this model from this side, this one is the front view, this one is the top view, and this one is the right view. So let's see how to design that in Solidworks. So first of all, we have to draw this base. This base is of 56 by 75 mm. Go to Solidworks, select front plane, sketch, center rectangle. This is 56 by 75. Yeah, you can see that it's 56 by 75. Okay, now the thickness of this base is 15 mm. Go to features, extruded boss base, thickness is 15 mm. Click OK. Now select this face, sketch, control it for normal. Now we are going to design this cutout, this 32 mm cutout. Go here, center line, make a center line like this. Draw a structure like this. Select this point, and this center line. Make lesion symmetric. Choose smart dimension. This is our 32 and this is 5 mm. Now go to features, extruded cut, drag it, click OK. Now we have our base ready. Let me give some appearance to this. Steel, let's say steel, polished steel. I'm gonna provide this, and let's put some color on it. Yeah, red one is nice actually. So we have our base. Now next part we are going to draw is this arm. This arm is in the middle of this rectangle, or you can say that it is in the middle of this base. So for that we have to generate a plane which should be middle of this base. It should be somewhere here. Now go to reference geometry, plane, select this face. Now press Ctrl key and select this face. So we have a plane which is in the middle of this base. Control it for normal. We don't want this orientation, so rotate this to your desired orientation. Go to here and select this face. Now take line from here to here, take another line from point inside from here to here and go upwards, meet this. We have this dimension 25, and we have a dimension from here to here, that is 100 by 36. Let's apply that. We have 25, and from here to here, 100 minus 36. Let's see, 100 minus 36. Okay, and the height should be 63. From here to here, that is 63. Okay, select this and make relation vertical. Now we have to find this dimension from this point to this point. Let's see how to find that. We have given a dimension of 36 from this point to this point, and the dia is of 36. So 36 minus 18, we would get this dimension from here to here. So applied that, go to square dimension, 36 minus 18, that is 18. Click OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base. OK. Here mid plane, the thickness of this arm is 12 mm. So here put 12 mm. So we are almost ready. Now we are going to draw this portion. So let's see how to draw this. Select this face, top face, and select this top face, sketch, Control 8 for normal. It is actually not visible, so let's change the color of it. Yeah, this is fine. Now select this face, top face, sketch. Now go to circle, make a circle here, take center line, draw a center line from origin to this point, and the diameter is of 36 mm. Select this and select this, make relation tangent. Okay, now take line, draw a line from here to here, another line from here to here. Go to trim entities, trim this unwanted part, trim this also, and this. Sorry. Now make another circle in it, that is of dia 22 mm. Choose circle, make a circle of dia 22 mm. Now go to features, extrude boss base, select this portion, reverse, this should be of 25 mm downwards. So now you can see that our arm and base is ready, and we are left with only two holes here and here, so let's make that also. Select this face and sketch, control 8, go to circle, make a circle here and make another circle here, make a center line, and this should be horizontal. Select this point and this point and this center line, make symmetry, and the distance between these two should be 45, and select this point and this point, make relation vertical, and the diameter of these circles should be, and we are given with 12 dia. So go to smart dimension, the dia of the circle should be 12 mm, 12 mm. Okay, now go to features, extrude cut, click OK. Let's change the color of this. This one is great. You can apply fillet if you want, so let's apply. Go to fillets, or leave it like this only. So we have successfully drawn this model. So I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe.